Welcome to our online history lecture. Last lecture we learned about prime ministers of 60s and 70s decade and their important works. They were Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Indira Gandhi. Today we are going to learn the 1980s decades and prime minister and their work. Let's see the first Indira Gandhi and her remaining work. See the page number 6, the 1980s. During this decade, the Indian political system faced many new challenges. The Sikh in Punjab demanded an independent state of Khalistan and began a movement which went on to become violent and destructive. Pakistan had lent its support to this movement. The Indian army was sent into the Golden Temple at Amritsar, a holy shrine of Sikh, in 1984 to evict the terrorists who had allegedly taken shelter there. One of the Sikh bodyguard in Indira Gandhi's personal security assassinated her during this period. An organization called United Liberation Front of Assam ULFA carried on a major movement in northeast India. What had happened? Let's see. During this decade, during 1980s decade, Indian government faced many problems. First, in Punjab, Sikh religious people demanded an independent state called Khalistan and started movement which went on become violent, and Pakistan was supporting to this movement. So Indira Gandhi sent Indian army into Golden Temple at Amritsar due to terrorists took shelter into the temple. And at the same time, Indira Gandhi's bodyguard did not like and he assassinated to Indira Gandhi. He killed to Indira Gandhi. At the same time, when Indira Gandhi died, ULFA means that is United Liberation Front of Assam. They carried on a major movement in northeast India. This was the situation when Indira Gandhi died in India. Now let's see next. Right after Indira Gandhi's assassination in 1984, Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister of India. He tried to make several reforms in the field of Indian economy and that of science and technology. He took the lead in solving the issues of Tamil minority in Sri Lanka. He promoted the idea of a united Sri Lanka with internal autonomy to the Tamil community, but his effort in this regard proved to be in vain. What is an important point in it? Rajiv Gandhi became Prime Minister in 1984 immediately after Indira Gandhi. He reformed in economics, science and technology. He gave intervention in the issues of Tamil minority in Sri Lanka, but his efforts in this regards proved to be in vain. The next para. He faced a lot of criticism in the context of corruption that took place during a defense equipment detail, especially the purchase of long-range cannon from a foreign company called Bofors. Political corruptions became a crucial issue in the general election that followed, and the Congress party was defeated. Several political parties formed a coalition called the Janata Dal, and Vishwanath Pratap Singh became the next Prime Minister of India. The policy for providing reservation for other backward classes means OBC is considered to be his most important contribution. He could not continue as Prime Minister due to internal differences in the party. In 1990, Chandrasekhar became the Prime Minister of India and his government was also short-lived. In 1991, during the election campaign, the terrorist organization in Sri Lanka, Liberation Tigers of Tamil Elam means Litte, assassinated Rajiv Gandhi. So, what had happened here? See the work of Rajiv Gandhi. His period was 1984 to 1989. He reformed in economy, science and technology. Then intervention in the issues of Tamil minority in Sri Lanka. Movement by ULFA, it means United Liberation Front of Assam in the northwest. The next criticize of political corruption in the purchase of long range cannon Bofors, and last Congress defeated in 1989, and he means the Lite means, what do you means Lite? Lite is the name by Liberation Tigers of Tamil Elam, guerrilla organization that sought to establish an independent Tamil state Elam in northern and eastern Sri Lanka. It was established in 1976. It's a terrorist types one organization who assassinate to Rajiv Gandhi in 1991. But when Rajiv Gandhi was in the problem of corruption, at the same time the other political parties also they did the one crucial role, and they came together. Here the meaning of coalitions, it means political party form. They come together and they make Janata Dal another one national party, and the Vishwanath Pratap Singh became first prime minister of Janata Dal. But his government was also short lived because the other means his party's members did not give proper cooperation to Vishwanath Pratap Singh. But what important work he did when he became the prime minister of coalitions Janata Dal for short lived and short time, but implemented the recommendation of the Mandal Commission about reservation for the OBCs. OBC means other backward caste peoples. He gave the reservation and waive loan of farmers with 10,000 crore rupees. So this was the work of the Vishwanath Pratap Singh. After Vishwanath Pratap Singh, because of the internal differences, Chandrasekhar became the next prime minister of India, and but his government was also short time. What work he did? Chandrasekhar was a prime minister between 1990 to 1991. He did the work foreign exchange reserve deplete, tried to control the situation by selling gold, debt on foreign loans increase. He deposit to in foreign currency were withdrawn by non-residents Indians. Indian economic face a crisis situation. We will see it detail in the next lesson. Let's see the next. Toward the end of the decade of 1980s, the unrest in Jammu Kashmir had begun. The terrorist activities they forced the Kashmiri Pandits to leave the valley. This problem grew serious day by day, and today it has taken the form of terrorist. So the end of this decade, the end of the 1980s decade in Jammu Kashmir's terrorist activities started, and they were forcing to leave the Kashmiri Pandit. Kashmiri Pandit means Hindu religions people who were living in Kashmir valleys. It was the biggest problem, serious problem to face the government. So today we learn about Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, these prime ministers. So you please read this lesson again and again and write the importance point in your notebook. Thank you.